Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech and Play World. Let's start video without wasting single minute. So to make an animated video using AI. First step to open ChatGPT. Then I will ask ChatGPT to write a moral story based on ethics and enter. You can ask anything you want, any story it can make easily. Here you can see title and the whole story script generating by ChatGPT in few seconds. I am not going to read the whole. My aim is to just give you an idea how it's work. I will give you link for every link which helps to make video in the description, so don't forget to watch. Now once script is done, you need some images related to this story because we are going to create video using image. So ChatGPT not contain any feature to generate image. But it can generate image prompt which can help us to generate image for this story. So tell ChatGPT to give an image prompt for this story. You can even ask ChatGPT to generate image prompt in detail. Now copy image prompt one by one. Then go to another link to generate image. I am using Bing.com, which is totally free and good source. Here click in images, then go to image creator and paste in search box, then click on create, and it will take few seconds just to give you a wonderful 4 options in one time, and you can download it easily by clicking on download button. Copy scene 2 and paste. You can see image here and you can download it too. This is how you can copy and paste all image prompts and download all scenes. Now next work to give some 3D animation to each image using this website. Here you have to click on upload button and click on any image from downloaded images, then open it and it will start rendering this image. It will take few seconds and then you can see 3D animation to this image. Now to download this animation, click on share and click on save and click on MP4 to download video file. This is how you can animate all images and download it. Now next step is to generate speech for this story, so go this link where you can convert text to speech. Just copy all script from ChatGPT and paste here and select any voice from these and then click on convert to speech, and then it will generate audio file for this script and download it. Then you can use any video editing tool to edit video. Now you have script, text, speech, animated story, images. Just use any video editing tool like I am using this and make video and earn money. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching video.